This is John. I met you at pretty sure it was IHOP last week. Is this Steven? Yeah, I met you last week. Yeah, what's going on, man? How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good. What's up?
Just hanging out, man. See how you're doing.
Yeah, cool. I'm just like, I'm at my buddy's house eating dinner.
Nice. What are you eating, man?
I mean, ham and rice.
Nice. Cool, cool, cool.
And rice.
Well, I'm just kicking it, man. Playing some Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, a few other online blog websites.
Nice.
Yeah, you know, just stuff. Things you do in Las Vegas.
Yeah. Alright. I still kind of don't know who this is.
Yeah, I met you at fucking IHOP, man. You're the firefighter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. It's me, John, man.
Holy shit.
Yeah, dude, holy shit, bro. Fucking funny, man, yeah. It's Paradise Pancakes, man. They're fucking good. Yeah, I know, man. They're fucking great.
I think Denny's over IHOP any day.
Yeah, for sure.
You have MySpace?
What was that?
You have MySpace?
No, I only play Twitter and Facebook and photo bucket and shit. You know, just the regular shit. MySpace, you know. A lot of child molesters on there.
Do you work right now?
Am I at work?
Or no, do you work?
Yeah, we're going out, dude. I met you there. Steven, right? Firefighter. Paradise Pancakes. Great, dude. Holy shit, it's you, man. Yeah, me neither. Great, dude. Yeah, you know, just go fuck yourself, alright, man? No, this definitely isn't a joke. You're not going to be on YouTube tomorrow or anything. Great. Okay, Steven. Firefighter, Las Vegas, Nevada. Go have a good day.
Oh my god.
I just phoned you my number and this is serious.
We just called a random phone, thought he was.
Hey, put that shit on YouTube, man.